Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are happy and healthy. Today I'm here with some of my friends and I want to introduce them with you all. And you know what? They used to tell us time. Can you guess who they are? Yes, they are clocks.
Hey, I am a clock. My name is Analog Clock, and I used to know the time. And my flat surface is called face of the clock. The numbers 1 to 12 appear on my face. Also, I have hands just like you are having. So, do you want to learn about me and my hands? Okay, come with me.
So, my one hand is the shortest hand and the other hand is longer than that. So, let's talk about the shortest hand, that is red color hand. My shortest hand is the R hand. It moves slowly and it shows the R. A day has 24 hours. So the hour hand completes one round in 12 hours and two rounds in 24 hours. Now the longer hand is the pink color hand, and this hand is also called minute hand because it shows the minutes. The minute hand moves faster. It completes one round in 1 hour. And yes, let's talk about the third hand. This is the fastest hand among all and is called second hand. It takes 60 seconds to complete 1 minute. So, I have three hands. Our hand, that is the slowest and the shortest. Minute hand, that is the longer one and takes 60 minutes to complete one round. And yes, the fastest hand, that is second hand, which takes 60 seconds to complete 1 minute. So when the minute hand is pointing to 12, read the time as o'clock. In this case, the hour hand is pointing towards 1. So the time will be right, 1 o'clock. Okay, now let's try this one. Here, our minute hand is on 12 and our hour hand is on 4. So, as our minute hand is on 12, we'll say o'clock. And our hour hand is on 4, so we will say 4 o'clock. Right. Now let's talk about these two clocks. So in the first one, our minute hand is on 12. So we will say o'clock. And our hour hand is on 2. So we will say 2 o'clock. Right. Now let's move to the second one. Here, our minute hand is on 12. So we'll say o'clock. And our hour hand is on 10. So we will say 10 o'clock. Perfect. Now let's talk about digital clock. Digital clock shows us time using digits. On left hand side, it shows hours, and on its right hand side, it shows minutes. Digital clocks are used in different kinds of devices such as cars, radios, televisions, microwave ovens, standard ovens, computers, and cell phones.
Now let's look digital clock and analog clock together and let's read the time. And yes, one more thing. When we are talking about o'clock, we always put 00 in place of minutes in digital clock as shown here. And this is because the minute hand hasn't started its journey to complete the round using 60 minutes. Now let's read the time. So the minute hand is on 12, so it's o'clock, and our hand is on 1. So the time will be 1 o'clock. Right. Now let's read the time in this clock. Again, the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 2. So the time will be, yes, it's 2 o'clock. So students, I hope you enjoyed learning about me and my friend digital clock. Bye bye. Take care.